Wait. Quiet. Oh. Alright, so we decided to be adventure girlies and go hiking. We're hiking now. Yeah. Oh wait, I think this is the right way, y'all. I honestly don't know what possessed us to decide to be adventure girlies, but here we are. Yippee! Go! Water. wait. Fire. Air.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
That's okay. Okay.
Yeah! That was a whole sleigh. Now you know damn well.
Holly? No, ma'am. Give me your backpack. Oh, no.
Epic fail.
No. Give me your backpack.
No.
Oh, I can't look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow. We can't go around. We just look stupid. All right, fine.
And I chicken out on going across the log bridge. I think I'll make it across the log bridge. Go, Adrian!
These people always on their phone. Enjoy it.
Let's go take a sip, guys.
Okay. The whole certified sleigh. Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock.
That's where we were.
That's where we were. Literally hiked all of that. We were up there and now we're here. Damn! No, like, that's a damn. Go, Holly. You can do it. Oh.
What to shoot next? I wonder.
Walk that ass back.
Oh,
Lord.
No.
Oh, I know your feet cold. I'm literally giving Austin all over again. Whatever. Wow, she's going. She really did it. Whee! This is our view.
Hi, guys. Inside, I don't think I thought this through very well. They're over there. I'm over here. I didn't realize how deep the water got over here. So, and I don't think my shoes are waterproof. So I don't know how I'm gonna get back over there, to be honest. I hope there's no snakes. Make it through one hike. Look how dirty they are already. My shoes are so dirty now.
Careful.
Oh, please be so careful. Oh my God. Holy smokes, dude. What? Whoa. I don't know how we came down this thing.
I'm so out of breath, but I had to stop.
Look.
Bro, this is sick.
You see where we are right now?
Yeah.
Here. See. Vlog. Way over there.
Oh, cute.
We don't have some brain cells all the way here, to be honest. We went down this way, right? You're not supposed to go down that way. We saw a sign on the bottom that said, don't go this way. But after, we already went down and back up. There's a green arrow right there. Hike successful. We were all the way down there and we made it back. Whoop, scoopity boop boop.